Welcome to Best Pickup.
I've gotta do, so I'm not crying.
5 Best Handheld Vacuum 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of bulky vacuums and messy cords, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 5 best handheld vacuums of 2025, powerful, portable, and perfect for quick cleanups around your home or car. We've researched the top models so you don't have to. Let's find the perfect one for your needs.
Top 1.
Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. Purple. Keeping a clean home with pets around can be difficult, especially when it comes to removing fur from furniture, stairs, or car interiors. A tool like the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum helps manage everyday messes that come with having animals. It's built to handle soft surfaces and tight spaces where pet hair usually collects. Having something lightweight makes cleaning less of a chore, especially if you have to move from room to room. This model is compact and doesn't rely on cords, so it's easy to take anywhere. Whether it's the back seat of a vehicle or a couch cushion, portability helps you reach all the small.
Top 2.
BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum, Home and Car Vacuum, HHVI 315J042. Keeping your space tidy can feel easier with the right tools. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum is designed for small cleaning tasks at home or in your vehicle. It works without a cord, giving more freedom to move while picking up daily messes like crumbs or dirt. People often look for a compact cleaner that's simple to use. This one may suit quick tasks, especially in places like car seats, tight corners, or under furniture. Since it doesn't need to be plugged in, it might be helpful in spots where a regular vacuum can't reach. If you're searching for a basic tool for touch-ups between deep cleans, this could be something to consider. It is not meant for heavy-duty work, but can support regular upkeep around living areas. The design appears lightweight, which might make carrying it from room to room less of a hassle.
Top 3.
BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum, Cordless, AdvancedClean Plus, White, HHVK 320J10. Keeping small spaces tidy becomes easier with a compact cleaning device like the BLACK+DECKER Handheld Vacuum. Designed for everyday use, it supports quick pickups around your home or car without the hassle of long cords. Its lightweight body helps when reaching tight corners, under seats, or along furniture edges.
Top 4.
Shark WV201 WANDVAC Handheld Vacuum. Lightweight at 1.4 pounds with powerful suction, charging dock, single touch empty and detachable dust cup. Graphite, Slate. Looking for a cleaning tool that's easy to carry and quick to use? The Shark WV201 WANDVAC offers a lightweight design, weighing only 1.4 pounds.
Top 5.
Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. 18,000 pascals 2-in-1 cleaner and air duster. 130W brushless motor handheld vacuum cordless with 7,800 mAh battery. LED light. Multi-nozzles for car, home, office, pet. Looking for an easy way to keep your car spotless? This portable car vacuum offers a cordless design that makes cleaning quick and hassle-free.
Price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.